We will now develop one part of our books form component. We will need a well and a panel to host our inputs fields and button in order to keep this part of the form nicely separated from the other features. To style each inputs fields, we will use a form group, a control label, and a form control. In form control, we also specify a ref in order to capture the user input. If you want to know all attributes of this input component, in React Bootstrap website you can find the entire list. Finally, we will add a button to submit the form. So first thing, we create a books form.js file inside our pages folder. We then import React, we import a well, a panel, a form control, a form group, a control label, a button from React Bootstrap. We create our books form class. We then return a well, a panel, a form group, and in form group we specified title as control ID. We then insert a label for the title, and we add a form control specifying the ref. Now we can go to book list and import our component. In the render method, we add a column in the same row of our book list, and we define a full width column for extra small devices and half screen column width for small devices and bigger. Inside the column, we render our books form. Now let's test it. Okay, we are getting an error because I misspelled the form control. Let's run it again. And yes, it's working. And as you can see, it's also responsive. Let's go back to our books form to add the rest of inputs field. We can quickly copy and paste, being careful on replacing all names. And finally, we add a button. Save and refresh. Great, it's working well. In the next video we will add map dispatch to props in order to post new books from this component.